an AI assistant called Backlink Analysis Agent. This AI agent will analyze the backlink profile of a URL for a domain or subdomain using Ahrefs. To get started, go to SmythOS.com and log in. If you don't have an account, it's free to create one. We'd love to have you join our community. Now, click on the Templates tab. This shows all the pre-built agents you can customize. You can filter different agents by use case or by using the search bar. We're going to find the Backlink Analysis Agent and click Remix. This gives us a pre-built agent to configure. This agent has 3 parts. The first is an API Endpoint, which is one of the most frequently used components in Smyth. This component is crucial because it's used to define the capabilities of an agent. When I open this, we see detailed instructions that describe when and why the agent should be used. The second component is an integration component we have available for Ahrefs, and this component makes the actual API call to pull the backlinks data. The only thing we need to do here is add in our API key. Now, in order to create an API key for Ahrefs, all you need to do is log into your Ahrefs account and go to Account Settings. There you'll see a drop down that has API keys, and it'll give you a button where you can generate your own API key. Once you've copied that key, we can add it to our Smyth vault by clicking on this icon and scrolling to the bottom, where it'll let us add and save a new key. Since I already have a pre-existing key, I'm going to use the one I have saved. The final component is the LLM prompt. This tells the agent how to interact with the backlinks data. You can see we have many different LLM models to choose from, but for this demo, we're using the latest version of ChatGPT. And with that easy setup, we're ready to run the agent. Turn on debug mode, click on this icon, and paste in the URL we want to analyze. We can see that it passes off the URL to the Ahrefs API call. We click the Set button again to continue the process. Now we can see that we've gotten all the backlink data from Ahrefs, and that has been transferred into the LLM prompt. Now we click Set one more time, and now we can see the complete analysis. And we can see that it's taken the different parts we wrote out in our prompt. For example, what are the positive points of our backlink profile? What are the negative points? What are important backlinks to pay attention to? And what is an actionable plan we should take in order to improve our backlink profile? I hope you guys enjoyed this agent, and please let us know if you have any feedback. Thank you, and see you next time.